On the A69 this. Chevrons. Impatient car overtakes on the right. Just doesn't get anywhere further ahead. Completely pointless manoeuvre. See loads do it. So here we go. I think this is on London Road, Carlisle. Yep, just a classic of no indication at all. Thank you. Dull and wet conditions on the M6.
It's proper dark this morning.
See, I'm overtaking the thingy. Oh yeah, speeding vehicle. Absolutely nuts. I mean, I was doing 60 odd. And it was really wet conditions, and that car just left me for dead.
We've got no shelter or anything at all.
Carlisle again.
It's that wind that's called you. Yeah, yeah. North wind does blow and we shall have snow.
Some people say you went over the roundabout, but you cannot. There we are. That was a speeding motorist going the other way, and that is a 30.
It's mainly the passengers.
Another one with Pettiets as well, blocking the keep clear sign. I mean, how can you miss that? Keep clear.
Keep clear. The sign says keep clear. What a knob jockey.
Go on.
Just ignorance. That's all it is. Neither wonder there's traffic build up in cities.
There we are. Someone's got common sense.
Onto Hardwick Circus roundabout again. The roundabout in Carlisle where no bugger knows how to drive around it. So simple, but it just confuses loads of drivers. I think it's that van. That van should be staying in the inside lane. It's forced me to cut across and then back in again, because he should have been in my lane to go where he needs to go. But that I do see a lot as well. I think this is another motorist with no indications again. I mean, why do you do it? I think this is a no indication one. Yep, it is. Just a simple thing to do, but loads don't do it. Lazy. Oh yeah, this is a bad crossing as well. I'm on green, I've got right of way, and people just walk out like that in front. And a lot of people say they have right of way, they don't. Fact. Yes, I am allowed to drive on the bus lane because it's a bus and taxi lane, and I have right of way, and that black car seems to think otherwise. I have 10 sets of eyes, honestly. Another keep clear. Sign ignored.
There's a keep clear sign here, and people are all parking it.
Why? I mean, how hard is it to read that?
Yeah, on this bit here, on this main.
And then they pull up and just carry on. Taxi, not really looking, but the other car was speeding right up his backside as well, putting his foot down to make a point to beep at a taxi.
Alright, taxi driver, you should have looked before you pulled out.
More wet conditions. This is another motorist blocking a keep clear sign as well. Just why? Any motorists in the comment, let me know. Why do you always park on the keep clear sign? Drop!